Hi, and today's lesson is going to be about Pythagoras. Now, Pythagoras can work in maths with right angles triangles only. And a right angled triangle is highlighted by this symbol here. So this is a right angled triangle. So we know that Pythagoras will be able to calculate it using this question. Now, what we need to find is we need to find the length AB. So we know that AC is 8 centimeters and we know that BC is 15 centimeters. So we need to find the longest side, which is called the hypotenuse. And I'll just write that in here. There we go, the hypotenuse, which is the longest side. Right, and we know which is the longest side because it is always opposite the right angle. There we go. So the hypotenuse, the longest side, is always opposite the right angle. And now I'm going to show you 4 steps that will make calculating this side straightforward for you to understand. I'm going to write the 4 steps here. We're going to square, add, and square root. So we're going to square 15 centimeters. So 15 centimeters squared, which equals 2, 5, and we're going to square 8 centimeters, which equals 64 centimeters, or 64. And now we're going to add these two together, and we get 289. And then we square root that, and the answer is 17 centimeters. So we can write 17 here. So now we have calculated that AB is 17 centimeters. Now, if you understand, thumbs up. Excellent. Good. I'm glad we got that. If anybody wants to know anything else, just let me know and we'll go through that. So now this is all well and good doing square plus square root, but on a calculator paper, all you would need to do is you need to do the square root symbol, 15 squared plus 8 squared. Put that into your calculator and you'd get 17. So that's to find the longest side, the hypotenuse, for this calculation. Now I'm going to show you how to calculate a short length, either length. It doesn't matter whether it's if it's BC or if it's AC. So let's just get another question here. Let's just drag this over. And I'll just put this up here. There we go. Right, so this is to calculate a short side. Now, we know that AC is 6 centimeters, and we know that AB is 20 centimeters, and we have to calculate the length of BC, give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. Now, is this a right angled triangle first of all? Yes, we know it's a right angled triangle because we have this here. It's right angle or perpendicular. There we go. So we need to calculate the short side. Now, this is the similar 4 steps. So we are going to write those 4 steps down. So we have square, but here's where it changes. This next step, we're going to subtract or minus, and then we are going to square root the answer. So in this example, in this question, we have 20 centimeters. So 20, we square, which equals 400. I hope you're keeping up, and with me, I can see that everybody's got thumbs up, which is good. That's fantastic. And now we have 6 centimeters, and we square that, and that would equal 36. And then we subtract. We subtract that, and we have 364, and then we the answer for the square root of 364 is 19.078. And the question asks us to give our answer to 1 decimal place. So that means we have to look at this here, the number after the point, and then the next number. Now, if that number is 5 or greater, then the 0 will become a 1. So the answer to correct to 1 decimal place will be 19.1 centimeter. There we go. Thumbs up if that's okay. Excellent. Everybody, do you understand that? That's fantastic. Thanks very much. Speak to you soon.